Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable Network Discovery in Windows 10. Network Discovery allows your computer to find other devices on the same network and enables file and printer sharing. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to enable Network Discovery. Let's get started. Hello there. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to enable Network Discovery in Windows 10. Network Discovery is a useful feature that allows your computer to find and connect with other devices on your network. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by clicking on the Start button located on the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, navigate to Settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon. Step 3. In the Settings window, select Network and Internet to access the network settings. Step 4. Within the Network and Internet settings, click on Network and Sharing Center. This will open up the Network Sharing Center. Step 5. Inside the Network and Sharing Center, look for the option Change Advanced Sharing Settings on the left-hand side. Click on it. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Network Discovery section. Here you'll see the option to turn on Network Discovery. Select this option to enable Network Discovery on your Windows 10 PC. That's it. You have successfully enabled Network Discovery on your Windows 10 computer. Congratulations! You have learned how to enable Network Discovery in Windows 10. This feature will now allow your computer to find and connect with other devices on your network, making file and printer sharing a breeze. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Happy networking, and see you in the next video.